Welcome back, fellow drone enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss for those who want to experience the thrill of aerial photography without breaking the bank. Join us as we unveil the top contenders for the title of the best low-budget camera drones. Get ready to explore the skies on a budget. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture stunning aerial shots, and now, even on a tight budget, you can join in on the excitement. We have meticulously selected a range of low-budget camera drones that offer impressive features and exceptional value for money. Let's dive into our top picks. Holystone HS720 4K UHD camera with 90-degree adjustable angle GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, 26 minutes of flight time, brushless motors for stable and smooth flights, foldable design for easy transportation. DJI Mini 2 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology for stable connection, quick shots and intelligent flight modes, 31 minutes of flight time, compact and lightweight design, Potensic D58, 2K camera with 110-degree wide-angle lens, GPS-assisted features like Follow Me in Orbit mode, 15 minutes of flight time, brushless motors for quieter and more efficient flights, comes with a carrying case and extra battery. Rise Tello 720p HD camera with electronic image stabilization, easy to fly with intuitive controls and smartphone app. Up to 13 minutes of flight time, lightweight and portable design. Programmable with scratch coding for educational purposes. Snaptane SP500 1080p HD camera with 110-degree wide-angle lens, GPS positioning and intelligent flight modes, 15 minutes of flight time. Foldable design for easy storage and transportation. Beginner-friendly features like one-key takeoff landing and altitude hold. There you have it, folks. Our top picks for the best low-budget camera drones. These drones prove that you don't need to break the bank to enjoy the thrill of aerial photography. With their impressive features, reliable performance, and affordable price tags, they open up a world of possibilities for all drone enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of low-budget camera drones. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more drone-related content. Fly safe, have fun, and remember, the sky's the limit, even on a budget.